everyone, welcome to this video about how Elon Musk shaping the future of technology, from robots to electric cars. From electric cars to space travel, Elon Musk is a household name when it comes to shaping the future of technology. Elon Musk has co-founded and served as CEO of several successful companies, including PayPal, Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and The Boring Company. He has a net worth of over $200 billion, making him one of the wealthiest people in the world. Musk is known for his ambitious goals, including making sustainable energy more accessible, colonizing Mars, and even creating a neural network that connects humans and computers. In 2014, Tesla broke ground on their Gigafactory in Nevada. It was designed to produce enough batteries to power 500,000 electric vehicles per year. The Gigafactory is not only the largest battery manufacturing plant in the world, but it is also powered by renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power. Tesla's Gigafactory has helped to bring down the cost of battery production, making electric vehicles more affordable and accessible to the general public. In addition to producing batteries for Tesla vehicles, the Gigafactory also produces batteries for energy storage systems and other applications, such as electric bicycles and power tools. Tesla has plans to build more Gigafactories around the world, including in Shanghai, China, and Berlin, Germany, as they continue to expand their production capabilities and bring sustainable energy solutions to more people. Today, the Gigafactory is producing even more batteries than originally planned, helping to accelerate the transition to electric vehicles. In fact, Tesla's Model 3 became the world's best-selling electric car in 2020, with over 365,000 units sold. Tesla is also working on developing more sustainable energy solutions, such as solar panels and home batteries. Musk has stated that his ultimate goal is to transition the world to sustainable energy in order to combat climate change. But Elon Musk's ambitions extend far beyond Earth. In 2002, he founded SpaceX with the goal of making life multiplanetary. In 2020, SpaceX successfully launched the first crewed mission to the International Space Station by a private company, making history. And with their Starship spacecraft, SpaceX aims to send humans to Mars in the near future. SpaceX has also made significant progress in making space travel more affordable and accessible by developing reusable rockets and spacecraft. Musk has stated that he believes it is important for humanity to become a multiplanetary species in order to ensure the survival of our species in the long term. In addition to electric cars and space travel, Elon Musk is also investing in the future of human technology. In 2016, Musk founded Neuralink, a company working on developing implantable brain-machine interfaces to enhance human cognitive abilities. Their technology could potentially help people with neurological disorders, such as paralysis or Alzheimer's disease, regain lost functions. The technology being developed by Neuralink could also have implications for the future of artificial intelligence, by allowing humans to better communicate and collaborate with intelligent machines. Musk has stated that he believes the development of advanced brain-machine interfaces is critical for humanity to keep pace with the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence. And let's not forget about the Boring Company, which is focused on revolutionizing transportation through underground tunnels. The Boring Company has completed several projects, including a tunnel in Las Vegas that allows passengers to travel at high speeds in electric vehicles. They're also working on a project in California that aims to connect cities through a network of underground tunnels. Musk has stated that underground tunnels could be a more efficient and sustainable form of transportation by reducing traffic congestion and air pollution. The Boring Company is also working on developing an underground hyperloop system that could transport passengers at speeds of up to 700 miles per hour. With his companies making breakthroughs in electric cars, space travel, brain-machine interfaces, and underground transportation, Elon Musk's impact on the future of technology is undeniable. Musk's innovative and ambitious approach to solving some of humanity's most pressing problems has garnered both praise and criticism. He has been recognized for his contributions to sustainable energy and space exploration, but has also faced backlash for his controversial tweets and behavior. However, one thing is certain: Elon Musk and his companies are shaping the future of technology in ways that are both exciting and transformative. From robots to electric cars, the future is looking brighter and more innovative thanks to the vision of Elon Musk. And as he continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, we can only imagine what he'll achieve next. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date on the latest in technology and innovation. See you in the next video.